How to make boomerang videos on Snapchat. So if you want to make boomerang videos on Snapchat, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and after opening, now you can simply take a small video, and after taking that, and now you can simply go for the right, which has these bunch of options. You can go for the last option, which says that one, right? You can simply tap on that one again and it will take you to the loop. So if you want to make a boomerang, then simply tap on that loop option, and after tapping on loop, your video will be on a boomerang. And after that, tap on send, and then simply send it to your friends. So that's it. That's how you make boomerang videos on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.